What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to go live on Instagram. Now, going live is a great way to connect with your fans and interact with them live and in face. So once you open up your Instagram app, you're just going to slide over to the left and create a story post. Instagram doesn't really make it super clear on how to make a live, but you want to do it as if you're creating a story post. And then you can see all the way at the bottom, you could slide through the different options. And one of them all the way to the right is the option to go live. Once you want to go live, you're just going to hit the button as if you're just taking a picture. And then from here, it's just going to buffer for a little bit, and then now you are live. Once you're on this screen here, it's going to start to send notifications to your followers. As you can see, I just got a notification from my other account that I went live. Now, there's all sorts of things that you could play around with in the live. There's so many different buttons, and the best way to do it is to just figure it out and play around with it yourself. But once you are finished with your live and you want to end it, you're just going to hit the X in the top right corner. Then it's going to come up, make sure that you are sure that you want to end it, and then you could end it. And then from here, you could edit the live, and you could save it to your profile if you want, but you need a live longer than a minute, so I can't do that. Otherwise, you could just throw it out, and then it'll be lost forever. And then alternatively, you could download it for yourself to keep it in your camera roll and look back on it whenever you'd like. That's pretty much all there is to it for going live on Instagram, though. If you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you had any questions or were you confused, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, thanks for watching.